Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the camera quality between the Honor 9X phone and the Huawei Vine and Prime. So first, let me talk about the specifications of both the cameras included in the Honor 9X and the Huawei Vine and Prime. So on the right side, I got the Huawei Vine and Prime, and on the left side, I got the Honor 9X device. So first, let me talk about the Honor 9X phone. As you can see here, the Honor 9X comes with the one main megapixel, 16 megapixel, and the other lens is ultra wide, and the third one is a depth sensor. So whereas in the Honor 9X you will get the 48 megapixel and the other 2 megapixel depth sensor. So as you can see here, the specifications of both the devices, the camera, and the front pop-up selfie has a 16 megapixel sensor in both the phones in Honor 9X and the Huawei Vine and Prime. So now let me show the camera interface of both the phones, guys. As you can see here, this is the interface how it looks in the Honor 9X and the Huawei Vine and Prime. So these are the extra options you get in both the phones. So there is a slow motion recording as well in both the devices. And in the slow motion you can record a 480 FPS, as you can see. 480 and 120 FPS. There is no 960 FPS capable recording in the Honor 9X as well. So there is only two options, 480 or 120. So now let me get back to the settings and what settings to get in both the phones. As you can see, the main sensor in the Honor 9X is of 48 megapixel. So you can shoot with a 48 megapixel or with a 12 megapixel as well. So whereas in the Huawei Vine and Prime you can shoot only with a 16 megapixel. There is no 48 megapixel option in the Huawei Vine and Prime. So overall the image quality is very good with both the phones. There is no problem with that. So these are the extra options you get: audio control or capture the smileys. Automatically photos will be taken when you smile. These are the extra features you get in the Honor phones. So now let me compare the images which I have taken in both the devices, guys. So this is a Vine and Prime and Honor 9X, and this is a selfie which I have taken in my home, not the outdoor conditions. So overall the quality is pretty good in both the devices. So now let me show you what is the size of the front cam. As you can see, 3 MB, and even in the Honor 9X is of same kind of 3 MB. And you can see the ISO levels and focal point 2.2. So now let me show you other outdoor shots which are taken in the Huawei Vine and Prime and the Honor 9X phone. As you can see, guys, this is the grass which are taken to test the colors between both the phones, how it looks. So in terms of colors, the Honor 9X has a little bit close to the natural colors. So whereas the Huawei Vine and Prime has a little bit high saturated colors, as you can see here, in terms of quality. Dark colors, as you can see, brighter colors when compared with the Honor 9X phone. So both the phones cannot record the 4K videos. As you can see, guys, here the photos looks much better in the Huawei Vine and Prime because of the high saturated colors. If you want, even you can edit in the inbuilt editing application tool. You can increase the saturation levels as well. As you can see, guys, even this looks same like the Huawei Vine and Prime. So overall, in terms of the quality, I feel both the phones are pretty equal and same. There's not much difference. But if you choose the 48 megapixel lens in the Honor 9X, you get extra zooming capabilities with the image. So now let me talk about the video recordings of both the phones, at what settings you can record the videos. So as you can see here, so in the Honor 9X you can record a 1080p with the 60 FPS. So whereas with the Huawei Vine and Prime also you can record the 60 FPS recording is available. But you get the extra feature over here, 19:2:9 ratio. You can record the videos 1080p. So there is no 4K recording in the Honor 9X device. I wish there should be a 4K recording and the 960 FPS slow motion recording as well included in the Honor 9X phone, but this isn't the case in the Honor 9X device. So I'll be uploading the camera samples and video recording samples on both the phones, guys. Stay tuned for that. So check the links in the description for the playlist which contain full videos of the Honor 9X and the Huawei Y9 Prime. So if you have any queries regarding the phone, do let me know, guys. And both the phones are running Google Play Store and Google Play Store services pretty normal. There is no problem with that. So check the links how to install the Google Play Store services in the Honor 9X phones and the Huawei phones. So I'll leave the link in the description, guys. Don't forget to check the video. So thank you guys for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, do let me know. Bye.